I mean, this fuel pump's not making any racket. Not even if we go over there to that positive. Take it and just tap it. Nothing.
Let's try. Can you get that wire to the ground?
Yes.
And then I'll touch the negative on the battery. Let me. Negative on the battery.
Nothing. And I'm on the bolt. I mean, I'm grounded against the pump, which the bolt is under, or the ground wire is under that. I wonder if we got a bad pump from the factory.
And then that Edelbrock pump is right there on the ground. And I took it over to the battery and touched positive, negative, and it spit fuel all over the place.